Welcome back to Inbound Tutorials. Today, we're diving in the buyer's journey and learning how an ebook can be used to convert visitors into leads in the consideration stage of the buyer's journey. Leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. During the consideration stage of the buyer's journey, individuals have a clear understanding of their problem or need and are actively looking at different options and methods to resolve it. The types of people who need an ebook at this stage are those seeking more detailed, in-depth information to help them evaluate and compare different solutions. Informed consumers. These are individuals who have moved past the initial awareness of their problem or need and are now seeking detailed information to compare solutions, products, or services. They are looking for ebooks that offer comprehensive guides, product comparisons, and in-depth analyses. Business decision makers. In a business context, this includes managers, executives, or entrepreneurs who are considering different strategies, tools, or services to improve their business operations. They need ebooks that provide detailed case studies, industry insights, and strategic advice. Technology enthusiasts and IT professionals. For those considering new technology or software, ebooks that delve into technical specifications, user reviews, and implementation strategies are valuable. They help in making informed decisions about tech investments. Healthcare seekers. Individuals exploring options for healthcare, whether for treatment methods, wellness programs, or health insurance, benefit from ebooks offering detailed insights into different healthcare services and their effectiveness. Educators and academic professionals. Those in the field of education looking for new teaching methods, curricula, or educational tools use ebooks for comprehensive information and pedagogical approaches. Job seekers and career changers. For people considering a new job or career path, ebooks can provide extensive information on various industries, job roles, required skills, and career development strategies. Travel enthusiasts. Travelers in the process of planning a trip would find ebooks helpful that compare destinations, provide detailed travel guides, or offer insights into cultural experiences. Hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. Individuals exploring a new hobby or DIY project use ebooks to understand the nuances of their new interest, including techniques, materials, and tools. In the consideration stage, ebooks are a valuable resource for providing the detailed, specific information these groups need to make informed decisions. By offering content that addresses their specific questions and concerns, ebooks can effectively guide potential customers towards a decision, positioning the brand or author as a trusted authority in the field. Thanks for watching. I am Rania with Optimarkt Consulting, your premier inbound marketing authority. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.